Social media is really hard, and if you're anything like me, staying consistent with posts can be a real challenge. In fact, I haven't posted on Instagram for over a week. There are lots of reasons why I think it's so hard, one of them being that life just gets so busy. For me, balancing employed work with freelance projects is a real challenge, and then throwing in the whole staying consistent on YouTube into the mix, it can just make it too much sometimes. And let's not mention trying to keep some kind of social life amongst all of this. It just feels like time just slips away. For you, it might be a full-time job, raising kids, or just a lack of motivation. Like most people, I want to find some kind of success with Instagram. I've watched countless videos about how to come up with ideas, how to stay consistent, and ultimately how to grow. But my main issues are always the same: time and motivation. Many creators swear by something called batch filming. It's basically where you spend a day or two making a bunch of content to post for that week or for that month, allowing you to focus solely on posting. You can even schedule your reels, but that might not be the best strategy if you want to take advantage of things like trending audios, but to be honest, I don't really know. I have tried batch filming and it did really help me stay consistent for about 2 weeks, which is amazing. However, the challenge of batch filming is coming up with a bunch of ideas at once. I often find that when I pressure myself into being creative, that's when I struggle the most. Can anyone else relate to that? When I hit a creative block, I have a few go-to strategies: taking a walk or going for a run, or looking at what other creators are posting and try and get some kind of inspiration, or simply just stepping away and doing something completely different. I find that these activities really help clear my head. Another thing that I struggle with is overthinking my ideas. Not everything I post needs to be a cinematic masterpiece. In fact, I don't think I've ever posted a cinematic masterpiece, but you know what I'm saying. How are we doing for mist? It's for that nice creepy effect. Creepy effect? I don't know. Moody effect. That's what I'm trying to say. It's for a moody effect. Anyway, a lot of the time it's the simplest ideas that get the most engagement. For instance, a couple of weeks ago I decided to mount my camera to the ceiling to get some really cool creative angles. It was an absolute nightmare to set up. In fact, I actually made a whole video about the process. I'd recommend you check it out because it is actually probably the funniest video I've posted on this channel.
What is that on it? Oh! What is that? I don't know.
Anyway, after lighting and editing the video and just making this really cool thing, I posted it on Instagram and got 500 views. Then a few days later, I posted a short clip that I took on my iPhone about why we use ND filters, and boom, it got 21k. I'm not suggesting that you just need to post short, simple content, but what I am saying is not everything you post has to be this visually stunning, heavily edited piece of content. Let me share some thoughts on why I think this reel did so well in comparison of my other reels. It's short, it's simple, and most importantly, it provides value. Maybe not to those who are seasoned photographers and videographers, but more to those who are just starting out. I do believe that it is crucial to provide some kind of value in your social media content, and that's definitely something I'm committed to doing moving forward. Social media is constantly changing and it's so easy to find ourselves in a creative rut. I am far from perfect, and just like you, I'm also trying to figure it out. I want to enhance the value of my reels, whether that's through entertainment, inspiration, or knowledge. If you resonate with any of the challenges I've gone over today, I just want to let you know that you're not alone. And if you have any tips, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm sure those that need them would really appreciate it, myself included. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you found it enjoyable. Have a great rest of your day or evening, and I'll see you in the next video.